what's up? My name is Amanda, and if this is your first time at my channel, thanks for watching. I post videos every Sunday, so be sure to check me out. So this week's video is going to be a summer wardrobe essentials video. I did post a just wardrobe essentials video that I will link right there, so go check that out for just like basic wardrobe essentials. This one is dedicated to summer though, because it is almost upon us and it's gonna be hot. So let's just go ahead and get started into the video now. Starting from the top, the first wardrobe essential is a handkerchief that you can tie around your hair, just because it's super easy and simple to do, and it just adds a little something to any updo you have. Another summer essential would be sunglasses. To protect your eyes, you know, you need a cute pair. And these look like Ray-Bans, but they're totally not. They're from TJ Maxx and obsessed. Next, you need a summer dress that you can throw on when it's hot out. This is a denim one, which I think denim is perfect for summer. But to show you another option, this is like the ultimate summer dress. It's from Forever 21. It's a simple yellow dress that is just Instagram worthy. The next essential would be a neutral pair of flip-flops or sandals that you can throw on and they go with everything. These are also from Forever 21. And moving back up, a cute pair of denim shorts. I would recommend high-waisted for the summer, but these are cutoffs and are kind of low-rise, which I really love. I love the distressed denim and the buttons for the front. I think it's super trendy and cool. The next essential is a go-to swimsuit. This is a one-piece from Target and it's this palm leaf print. I have taken pictures in this already because I love it. And it is perfect for like the small boobed girls out there like me, because you don't have to worry about anything popping out. Leading to the next essential is a good sunscreen that you can wear when you go out in the heat and sweat and it won't come off. And I highly recommend Neutrogena products just because they go really good and they never make me break out, which is what I love. So that is definitely an essential for summer. You need to wear it every day on your face, cover your neck, and then just toss it. No, I'm totally kidding. Do not toss it. You need to reapply it throughout the day, so don't forget to do that. Just keep it on you in your purse or whatever. Next up is a floppy hat you can wear to the beach or wear out. Now that I'm older, I'm way more conscious about skin and health of my skin. And it's good to like not get wrinkles, ladies. You don't want that either. So cover up your neck and your face and all that. Next essential is a denim jacket. Denim and summer just go together, so get yourself a denim jacket. This one is from Kohl's. Unfortunately, it does not have pockets, which is like super frustrating, but whatever. And at night, it does get chilly, so you do need a jacket. The final essential is anything white. Skirt, pants, shorts. It's just perfect for summer. We wait all year to wear white, and now is the time. So that is going to be it for my wardrobe summer essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next week with another video.